Hello viewers, welcome to yet another episode of AAA Profit Analytics Stock Market View. Today we will cover the week starting from 21st February to 25th February, and with you is Sajesh Krishnan, CEO AAA Profit Analytics. On 14th February, Monday, when market started, we had an unfortunate and unexpected shocking fall of 565 points in Nifty. One of the reasons for the fall was Russia-Ukraine crisis and the resultant spike in crude oil price about $95. But Nifty recovered 509 points on the very next day itself. AAA Profit Analytics normally send messages through our application to our clients regarding the strategies to be followed in such situations. When Nifty was trading at 17,080 at 10:55 a.m., we sent a message to our clients that Nifty has strong support at 16,756 and Nifty will reverse from this level and you can continue to hold your portfolio during this fluctuation. On Tuesday also, we sent a message once we got a clear signal of the market reversal. We gave this message on Tuesday when Nifty was trading at 17,110 that we can expect a rebound in the Nifty towards 17,661. Last week Nifty made a high of 17,490 before closing at 17,276. Let's further have a look on the overview of Nifty. Nifty made a weekly high of 17,490 and weekly low of 16,809. Last week's trading range was of 681 points. Nifty closed with a 98 points loss at 17,276. Moving on to Nifty's mid-cap 100 chart, Nifty mid-cap 100 corrected 795 points last week and closed at 28,934. When we are confused in stock market, one simple solution to solve the confusion is to simply imitate the promoter of a good company. When he holds a stock, we too hold it. Remember, he is holding crores of shares of this company and we may be holding just thousands. We must blot his courage. I want to share an experience of imitating a promoter during a fall in a stock's price. Adani Total Gas was trading at 150 level in 2019 November period. And then the stock went down to 80 level in 2020 March during the COVID related crash in the market. Then Adani Total Gas touched 1,600 level in May 21 and last Friday also the stock closed at 1,665 level. I was holding the stock during the period of COVID's crash. When the stock crashed from 150 level to 80 level, I checked the promoter Gautam Adani's holding and he was holding around 109 crore stocks of Adani Total Gas. And I was just holding 5,000 shares. And further, global giant Total Gas was also holding nearly 37.4%, this similar 109 crore shares in Adani Total Gas. Then I thought, when they are taking crores of more than 100 crore shares in this company, why I should exit? I also held on to the stock, and you can see the stock moved above 1,665 level in just 1.5 years. You are watching now this promoters holding ATGL. Promoters are holding 74.8% and FIs are holding 18.2%. Out of this promoter holding, Total Gas SIS is holding 37.4% and Gautam Adani is holding another 37.4%. Let's have a look at the promoters holding value and the fluctuation during such markets fluctuations. In November 2019, he was holding 109.98 crore shares and the price was at 150. Then his holding value was 6,169 crores. And March 20, when the stock crashed to 80 level, his holding value came down to 3,290.4 crores. And then last Friday, when the stock closed at 1,665, his stock's value is at 64,481.45 crores. So when a promoter is holding a stock, you can also hold on to the stock and make huge profit in stock market. Another stock that I want to give as an example is NIT. We recommended this stock as a triple swing delivery recommendation on 28th December at 210 level for a target of 270. You are watching that recommendation in our application. The stock moved down to 136 level in 28th March period, and then the stock started upward movement, and on 6th June 2021 the stock touched our target of 270, where we booked nearly 28% profit in NIT. You know, NIT closed on last Friday at 438 level. You can see NIT's promoter holding 35.1% during this correction, and during this rally also they are holding the same percentage, 35.1%. Let's have a look at the fluctuation in the promoter's holding value. On in December 20, he was holding 4.7 crore shares in NIT with a market value of 987 crores. During that correction to 136 level in March 2020, the market value came down to 639 level. In June 21, when the market moved up to 270 level, his market value came up to 1269. On Friday, last Friday, he is holding same 4.7 crore stocks with the market value of 2058. So promoters holding is a clear signal of his confidence in the company, which you can imitate. When you are doing a short-term investment, you have to always look at the capital gain report, which reflects your profit that you booked during this current year, and add that profit to your current portfolio's profit or loss to get a clear picture of your profit of this year. One of my clients called me to say he is having 2 lakhs loss in his current portfolio. Then I asked him to send his capital gain report of the year 2021. You are watching his capital gain report. He is having short-term profit of 11 lakh 50,000 in this year, and if you add this to current year's portfolio's profit or loss, he is having net profit of 9 lakh 50,000. So do not create panic situations just by ignoring your booked profit. You have to consider your book profit as well as profit or loss of the current portfolio to get clear picture of your profit of current year. When talking about our swing delivery recommendations, you are watching our recommendations in which we booked profit during last year 2021. You can see we have booked more than 41 recommendations last year, in which we booked more than 20% profit. Another pack in which we give recommendation are wealth builder pack, in which you can see we booked profit in Jindal Well, Capley Point, Acrisil, FSL, Vishaga Industries, and Shalimar Paints. We booked more than 40% profit in all these stocks. So this profit of the stocks in which we booked profit will reflect in your capital gain report. So you have to add this profit and capital gain report to your portfolio's profit or loss to get a complete picture of your current year's profit. India's Power Ministry on Thursday released the green hydrogen policy. The stocks which may get benefit from this green energy policy is Reliance Industries, L&T, Siemens, ABB, Cummins India, Aegis Logistics, and Wabag. All these companies' stocks may perform well on the background of this green hydrogen policy. Moving on to foreign institutions' provisional data of purchases and sales last week. Foreign institutions sold for 12,215.6 crores in equity cash segment, and domestic institutions bought for 10,592.2 crores in last week's provisional data. Moving on to Nifty's analysis, you are watching now Nifty's trading pattern of last week. Nifty closed on 11th February, Friday at 17,374, and on Monday, Nifty crashed 531 points to set a weekly low of 16,809. And on Tuesday, Nifty rallied 509 points, and on 16th February, Nifty lost 30 points, and 17th February, Nifty lost 17 points, and 18th February, Nifty went down 28 points to close with a loss of 98 points last week. You're watching now Nifty's monthly chart. Nifty is trading with 63 points loss in February 2022. Nifty lost 14 points in January 22, and currently in 2022, Nifty is trading with 77 points loss. You're watching now Nifty's weekly chart with major DMAs. Nifty's 200 DMA is at 16,851, and 100 DMA is at 17,617, and 50 DMA is at 17,614, and 20 DMA is at 17,352. You are watching now Nifty's daily chart with major support resistance levels. In case Nifty continues to trade above 17,192, the resistance levels will be at 17,509, 17,873, 18,181. And in case Nifty correct below 17,192, supports will be at 16,893, 16,667, 16,410, 16,212, and 15,995. Let's have a look at Nifty's trading range for the next week. Nifty's upper range will be at 17,873, and lower range will be at 16,410, with a pivot point at 17,192. Let's move on to investment strategies of the next week. Manappuram Finance declared Q3 results last week, and company declared a profit of 261 crores, which was 46% down from last December's profit of 482 crores. Company declared a fall in revenue of 10% to 484.45 crores. You are watching now Manappuram stock, which fell from 170 level to close at 121 last Friday. I'm expecting the stock to have support at 112 level. In case company is able to declare good results in next quarter 4, the stock may rebound to 170 level. So those who want to have an investment in Manappuram Finance can consider investing in Manappuram Finance below 112 for a target of 170 level in the next 1 year period. Let's move on to the stock of the week. Our stock of the week is Webag. You can consider investing in Webag below 318 level for a target of 370. Our triple technical pick for the week is Voltas. You can consider investing in Voltas below 1252 for a target of 1310. Let's move on to the stocks with the technical breakout. These stocks are Adani Power, JSW Energy, Adani Green, Voltas, and TVS Motors. All the stocks may be considered for investment for a target of 5% from Friday's closing price. All the stocks we discussed in this video are for investments. Thank you.